In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix security alert error on your Revolut Bank app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are getting this error, security alert, this app cannot run because the environment is not secure and your data may be at risk. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to ensure that you're not using any VPN on your smartphone. If you have any VPN app installed on your phone or any recently installed security app, check and uninstall it or turn it off. Once you are done, you should be able to use your app without any issue. You also want to do a security scan on your phone, so look for a security app. If you don't have, search for one and scan your smartphone for any security threat and clean your smartphone. At this point, now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still encounter any challenge at this point, then you want to check and see if you have any update for your app. For that, go to Google Play Store or App Store and then tap on your app to open and search for Revolut like that. And if you run it, check and then see if you have any update. As you can see, I have an update. Update your app to the latest version. This will download the latest version of this app and then install it on your phone. Once the app has been updated, now you can start using the latest version of Revolut app without any security alert. However, if this does not work, then you want to troubleshoot your app by going to settings, and from settings go down to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Revolut and tap on it to open. Here, go to for stop app and OK. And now go to clear data and clear cache and OK. Finally, clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone. And now if you open your Revolut app, everything should be up and running. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. However, at this point, if you still get this warning, then you may want to contact Revolut for any update concerning the security of your app or of your account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.